I'm going to cut this off. And draw cutting is like riding a bicycle. You're paying attention to where the wheel is in, relationship to the pattern edge. But you also want to consider that when you are cutting, you're going to be turning. It's like when you ride a bike, you look ahead. You say, I'm going to turn a little bit, or I'm going to go straight. And you could quickly learn how to turn with a glass cutter. So here I know I have a slight radius turn, but you feel the pattern, right up to the score. You come down and you start turning. Get ready to start turning and come off the edge. See, that glass the cut is perfect. You break that off and break that off. And you see my little swipes I do at the back of the glass cutter just to take off those nasty little shards you get.